Good Friday morning. How's all my business builders out there? I'm so excited. I love having off on Fridays. Anybody else off on Fridays? I love it because not many other people are off. I can get all my stuff done with not as much traffic, not as much all that stuff. Anyway, okay, where's my faith-filled business builders out there? Sherry Underwood coming to you, talking about being stuck in anxiety and fear and worry and whatever else in your business. So I want to talk to you about that and address it in our faith-filled way. Hey girls, thanks for hopping on. So if you're feeling stuck, you have to decide not to stay there, right? Okay. We all have challenges, but it's actually not biblical to be anxious and worry and all that. So you need to have that mind shift and allow God to work in your life, in your business, in your relationships. You need to invite him in. And I think we get so stuck that we forget to do that. So if you're stressed, don't move away from it. Embrace it. Because a lot of us know this, that on the other side of that, sometimes you're given something to go through. And on the other side of that is goodness from God, right? So if you're stuck in that stress and anxiety and fear, then you're blocking God's blessings, because he wants you to move forward. He wants to have you not limit yourself. So when something's fearful or stressful or whatever, embrace that, pray about it, and try to use that for good. Now listen, you have to, something in my eye. You have to use it to your advantage so that, and do the things that, to be able to break through and do the things that God placed on your heart to do in the first place, okay? Because once stress can become distress, and then that is destructive to your life and to your business and to your relationships, all right? So that's what you want to move away from. So we were not intended to do this life on our own. So you've got to go through this with the assurance of God's faithfulness, his protection, his grace, and you have his loving kindness, and you have to take all that in. And so my thing today was Philippians 4:6, and because it says, be anxious for nothing. And I don't think we do that. Things get stressful and we get bogged down, and we're not giving it to God so that he can bless our business or bless our life. Does that make sense? If I'm making sense, can you tell me I'm making sense? So he says, do not worry about anything, but instead pray for everything. And another thing we miss a lot of the time is that we're not praying with thanksgiving. So make sure you're praying with thanksgiving. Thank him for the things that have already been placed in your life that are coming. Thank him that they're already here, right? Just thank him for all your blessings that are coming, like pre-Thanksgiving. Okay? So I need you to decide that you're going to move beyond. You're going to embrace the stress. You're going to trust in God. You're going to know that He is giving you the confidence to grow. You're going to thank Him for that, and you're going to move forward with faith-filled goals and faith-filled plans and faith-filled expectations. Thank Him for whatever you're expecting in your business and in your life. Thank Him for it now. Just be proactive. I guess that's all I'm trying to say. So, good morning, Bonnie. You can let me know if this is making sense. Anyway, so God does have big plans for you and your business, and you can't stay small. You cannot stay small. You have to go with confidence that He's with you. Make it a strong one. Go. It's Friday. You have a weekend to look forward to. Let's just move beyond the stress and worry that comes from all the things that we let lay and fester. Move beyond it. Embrace it. Take full advantage of this weekend to really get into the Word. And if you would like more, good morning, Robin. If you would like more information on using faith-filled kingdom principles to build your business, then I would like to, you can comment faith. How about comment faith? And I'll invite you into my group that's Building Your Business with Faith. And, you'll see more of this stuff. So have a blessed weekend, everyone. I hope everyone has a really great one and has awesome plans. And enjoy your Friday.